Hello, welcome to another update on Doge. Here on the Doge chart, the correction is still unfolding. I mean, Bitcoin shows some strength today. However, in the altcoin sector, there isn't much to see. And the Doge chart continues to grind through this correction we talked about. There is definitely no sign yet that a substantial low has formed here recently. I mean, the idea is that a wave 4 could have bottomed on the 7th of April and that we've started a larger rally. So far, that rally remained a three-wave pattern. You see it here in yellow. A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. So we label it as an ABC pattern in wave A. And then the pullback would also be an A, B, C pattern in wave B. And then we can watch for higher prices from there. So at the moment, the idea is a B wave pullback has started. We could say that alternatively, the A wave gets one more upside extension, but that would really need to, that would really need to prove itself. That's highlighted here in orange. This, you could say, alternative scenario, where the A wave might form one more high and we get a 5-wave diagonal pattern from the April low. But for now, it's a 3-wave move, and generally what I see in the overall sector, it looks as if many of the charts have started larger corrections. So I think the market could form a bit of a larger B wave here. That seems realistic because we have what looks like an A, B, C structure to the downside. Has not quite reached 100% extension, but close enough. Now we could be moving up in this B wave. So we have an initial A wave up, B wave down, and we could get a C wave up. Like this, A, B, C. And in this scenario, the market could easily test the resistance area again. Maybe the previous high that formed here a few days ago at around 25 cents. In an A, B, C structure, and then start the larger decline and complete eventually that overall correction, which started here at around 26 cents. Important is to understand that the support area here for the B wave needs to hold to keep the overall bullish thesis alive. And the key level here that matters is the 15-cent mark. We also have support levels, the golden ratio level, for example, at 16.9 cents. And then, let's say, levels for weaker retracements at around 18.3 cents and 19.9 cents. Now, how does all of this get integrated in the bigger picture? Let's also open the larger time frame chart. Oops, it's not doing it. Okay, so the Doge chart here. So as you can see here as well, it's an initial 3-wave move up of an A wave. We might see a B wave next, for which I already shared with you the Fibonacci support area. And then if things go well, the C wave up could follow from there. So we have potentially bottomed here in a larger degree 4th wave. Price reacted well to support. But now, obviously in the next pullback, a higher low must form in yellow, wave B. Yeah, that's the update on Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.